I strongly believe in doing the right thing. Yeah, man. Positive things. Things to make tomorrow a better day. Yeah, man. Things to make your fellow man better. Up on a boat another day, commercial driving, they are rough up much.
And I go back and I can fun come with me, yeah? Yeah. Two lick up and I can go fire.
Yes.
You know, come after the computer fan them.
Alright, Bobby and I had seen you know, a proper something today, you know? Alex here. You can plan something and see it manifest to be all of this. It's a blessing, man. It's been a while now since I held a promise me this one-hand bandit. And me get it quite some time ago and plant it, and today be the day where it shoot fully. Yeah, man, we have to give thanks to my Oscar, you know. Bless up every time, Daddy. Blessings, man. You know, more while we have to just get some scene when we're in the street, you know. Things that we have to go through more while we get all the film together, but nothing try, nothing done, you know. Give thanks to life, you know. Yeah, man. Originally still, my channel is about life a yard without the crime and violence, the ups and downs and the animosity, cursing the government, all of them something. I have nothing to do with that. Me just about, yeah, where positiveness is concerned. Talk, man. Yeah, man, so. Yeah, do it, man. Stop dwell on the negative and just love on top of love, you know? Yeah, man. When I run go school still, because I have class down here, so. Yeah, man, blessings, man. Bless up, you know, me there, you bro.
Just take a chance, when I come back.
Yeah, man, do it on forward. Yeah, man, my brother just run come from over the class, yeah. Anyway, something go. We have a fair freelance because we have other things, so much things to do. In the space of time when we do this. So, come with me and see what I want. Take a miss. Woo. Oh, brother, bless up. Yeah, man, real general from high school place, you know. Ah, yeah. Ah, my general. Out there. Pitbull are forward, you know. No, I'm ready, just I roll in a class, so. The energy up. It's a blessing. So I'm going to cross the fence and drink some water. Yeah, man. So you know how it go. Woo. Yeah, this a forward, bro. Blessings, man. What do you have, mister? Yeah.
Make.
Okay. Oh, manners and respect. Yeah, I do it, you know. Running in my class. How now look down the frog? Green is that? Brapper ground. Oh, I don't know about the place, man. You see the other day, me video one of them in fat like cod pussy that it can green it, we call it iguana. Nice. So I say me put me forward and early, man, because I want to touch it, you know. Hungry feet, you know. Who there, Robert? And Bruce, Lord. Hold him back! Bruce done that work. Yeah, man, when you're early at class, you know, you get to pull the machine. Blessings now, bro. This is forward. Oof.
No problem. That's all I can do. Ella, my respect.
Go through. Blessings. So done. That's it. Nice and easy today, bro. Nice and easy.
Go that. Go on. Go ahead again. man coming up. We have to drive with the field and just drive, take time to the field. There's no rush. Ease up. No, good shot. Yeah. That's all enough for you know. Just drive, no rush. Make sure the can't change out the 5 gear, them and gear on one no I can't help.
Yeah.
Gear on one more, so what more you want more than that?
True.
Just have calm and that will not be drive.
Nice, Chubby. Nice. Go there again.
Voila!
Yes. Nice and easy.
That's all I don't even do anything.
Yeah, man.
And you can play a field of the band, you don't need more than that.
Brother, your cousin said, your sister or cousin with even the boy going up. She said to big you up, you know, brother. Yeah, man. Yeah, but true, yesterday me do a video with them, so they must say, oh, big him up.
If I get harder, let's hear him.
Nice, my brother, nice. See it there? Can't get no better than that.
Everywhere, nice and see everywhere.
Nice.
Get the game, one rev.
Whoa, brother, smooth today. Smooth like a cucumber. You know, long one, you know, like this. Yeah, man, I say, man, if I drive straight, brother. No more gritting or nothing. You see me? If you miss it, just follow and catch up after yourself immediately. See there? Go on again. Actually, you slow it down right to the exact point and let go close by it.
When the man come here, and the basic same thing, you not going to do, you know. You ever in there, I tell you what to do, you know. You not going to do that, so I tell you, no. I don't know what to keep it down there.
True. See it there? Yeah! Brother, I want finger hold the camera with a while like I can't drop at all. Yo. That's it, them boy. Find it. Alright, I want the whole of them smooth now. You see me can't get a nice look.
Just do what you can do. I need to know can do.
Come on, boy. Choke him.
Go by some more. Where we chop now?
Some slow along.
Yeah, turn.
Smart.
Five that, you know. Five that, you know.
Yeah, 5 we're going to walk away.
Yeah, man. You think that turn still there?
I feel like I'm going
You do only put the compression chang in there? Yeah, the compression chang. You see, if you know the ratio, and then if you know if you drive right here, but you don't even know, say, the back side there.
from 4 to 3rd.
That's your feet round,
I think of practice.
Yeah.
I understand this is like you can do it and you have to do it. But if you are doing this, you're back for the third.
Nah, but do man.
Go on and get deal come over. These are back here.
What turn now?
Right position it going, you know. See there? The right position you're gonna put it third up.
Yeah, like they saw up on the wall. You know the in-between space there? Yeah, so it
When you
grind
that
the
with
boat.
the chip and a little bit to the side and make sure you took around here.
And a hard focus. The hard focus now, brother, just find that comfort zone the way you know. Say, yes, man, right, that's it, them, man. Blow a land to bar. Pump. Nice and easy, my brother. See that? Boy, problem. a turn. La la. What up? What up? Yes, brother. Just yeah, chuck it down now. Just.
Kaya ba?
Yeah.
Ayan na pala rin ba ayan ako? Ayan ako mga
True. How we enjoy the end of blessings. Positive man. Positive energy. The general and they are on a progressive move. It's a blessed day. Chuck down a rough up the hot seat. See them.
He's about to really take it and turn. Go on again. Take it on.
See, I just everything didn't want brother.
Yeah. Alright.
I just
Nice. Alright, brother. Proper one. Yeah.
Chuck around, so you can't find it. Let's find it. Chuck can stand up, no other different thing. And go down, stand up on that side, and then stand up.
True.
Normally, this one original, yeah, they say to buy it out of the now, see that. One want to come out and that's different.
Why spend the time doing negative things? Why invest your time in hurting others? Makes no sense. Do the right thing. Get up and get about. Love your brother. Love your sister. Yes, man. Make the love grow in your heart. So much love that lover asks you what's the matter. Be positive. Be positive. Remember, Jamaica yard life. Love you. Yeah, man. Blessings every time. This is what Jamaica is like. And the whole way, I pray negative. One love. Life is for every man to live. So why should I envy my brother? Why should I try to kill my sister? Why should I hurt or harm my fellow men? That don't make sense. That's not right. I mean, I keep it real. See if we can find a spot back up. We have to walk with a destroyer. Yeah, man, because the mosquito are enough. Mosquito they are enough, man. But there one that say, what me da do in a day, you see me? Just can make a change. Yeah, man. And the first thing I have to say is that as a Jamaican youth, born and grow here, the famous saying is that my granny grew me good. Yeah, man. That's why I'm full of money and so. You see, that's why I am who I am. There is so much for me to give thanks for. There is so much for me to be grateful for. Yeah, man, even the simplest breeze you blow, you have to give thanks to it. Yeah, man, there are so much people nowadays who never wake up this morning to say, you know what, give thanks to them. But trust me, all when things not going the way I want it to, I, man, always think positive. Yeah, man, all of positive meds. I have to give thanks to some teachings I'm getting in my lifetime. As a youth I grew up, as a Jamaican youth, trust me, if you get the fundamentals when you're there, there is no way you can result to the wrong things. There is no way you can turn to the wrong things. Trust me, I can tell you, because I live it right now. Yeah, man, a class me there, you see it. You stop and come a river here. I just come a river here, come take a 5, a load of. Yeah, man, my classroom then near the river, you see it. So I'm just going to take a load of. Yeah, man. Free the mind, you see it. I'm more no good for you to don't stress yourself. I have all of this to give thanks for. Trust me. Sometimes you just take a split second. Here you go. You see me? So it's good for you to take the time out, love and appreciate what God provides for you. Yeah, man. What is naturally provided for you. You have to love and care for you. Everything. Yeah, love and care for the world. Just love and care for your country. Isn't it? You know the right thing to do. So why dwell upon the negative? Yeah, man. Why? Sad. Trust me. Leg off of the negative. Leg off of the wrongdoings. Love your brother. And love your sister. Yeah, man. I man have so much love in I man. Trust me. I don't know hate me to the max. But still I love you. Love you so much till love asks me what's the matter. Trust me. Yeah, man. This is your Jamaica Hard Life 101. Like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned, but there's a lot more to come. Yeah, man. But for now, we're stuck at Trintyville. Well, we're not really stuck at Trintyville. Yeah, man. But we're not start move around it because we have class. Throughout the class time, we have to stay focused on the class. So what happens is that we're not really going out. But honest to God, and to be honest with you all, I want to take you all over the country. Yeah, man, all over Jamaica. But for now, as I say, I want to take it one step at a time. So, I just show you Trintyville. I have Yalas to go. I'm sure I have Kingston to go. I'm sure one place with them called Winter Forest. Way up in the hills. Yeah, man, hometown, you know. It's a blessed road. Cedar Valley. Yeah, man. Whole heap of places. Whole heap of places. But for now, I should say, yo, Trintyville is a blessed, real blessed place, you know? Yeah, man. Always take the time out to give thanks to life. You know me already, you see me? Yeah, man, I have to give thanks to my classmates them because I'm always up and about and I do the right thing. I never do positive things. As you can see, Biggs are also from the back of him car. Even though him there on the road, you know there's something good. It's a blessed day. Yeah, man, I will get some pizza. Stay tuned. One of my classmates, they might do some farm and mechanic work. I'm over there, fix up body car. I don't know what happened to it. But it seems like the car didn't constantly get trouble. Nowadays, it's a rough task. Big man thing. But my day, I want to sit down on the truck. And I see the truck top as usual. Yeah, man, I have some arrange them more while and I easy back while everybody out there. Front there, easy. Yeah, man. You know this something about really hard life. Sometimes it can go boring. Sometimes it can go sweet. Sometimes it's just going to be plain old nature. Yeah, man, just nature. Mother nature, it's best, you know. Yeah, man, Bobby there work on the machine. Just a small service still. Nothing really big.
Put in new engine,
yeah, man.
right?
I'm dropping a new engine. What size engine this, bro?
It's a Forest 1800.
Yeah.
Take out the 2000 out of it.
Yeah.
And stuff like that. The 2000 mash up.
Okay.
Supercharge, mash up the crankshaft.
16 valve this.
Yeah, 16 valve, 1800.
Most natural.
Forest.
Power, man.
Yeah.
Power, bro.
But we still have the next, the turbocharged transmission on it.
Yeah.
8-speed transmission.
Most naturally.
Unlimited.
Unlimited. It's a blessing.
Yeah.
But a little machine just look simple, brother, but a whole heap of power it packing. Boogie down!
One is in center mass.
Yeah.
A blue one like the similar same vehicle.
Yeah.
But the thing is a stick shift. But you know I push 5 forward.
Yeah.
I'm 8-speed transmission.
Alright.
I don't know what it's going to do when we buck him up.
Ah, alright, that's right there. So, bro, if you're watching out there, you know what's popping. Yeah, man, Bobby, a pop ease, you know? It's a blessing. Real blessings, bro. Yeah, man. That's I'm happy to be alive, you know? Just happy to be alive. And that's life is everything. As I say from early, get up, get above, and do the right thing. Stop making a fuss out of things. Stop create war. Yeah, man, make peace reign. Love your heart. face.